Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to link YouTube Music to Google Home, step by step, in a simple and professional way. Step 1. Check your requirements. Make sure you have a Google account, the Google Home app installed on your smartphone, and an active YouTube Music account. Both free and premium accounts work, but a premium subscription is required for on-demand playback on smart speakers. Step 2. Open the Google Home app. On your phone, launch the Google Home app and confirm that you're signed in with the same Google account you use for YouTube Music. Step 3. Access Music Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Google Home app, then select Settings. From the menu, choose Music to view available music services. Step 4. Link YouTube Music. Under the Music Services list, find YouTube Music and tap Link. If prompted, sign in and allow the necessary permissions to connect your YouTube Music account to Google Home. Step 5. Set YouTube Music as your default music provider. This allows Google Assistant to play music from YouTube Music automatically when you give voice commands. Step 6. Test the connection. Say a command like, "Hey Google, play some music," or "Hey Google, play my favorite playlist on YouTube Music," to confirm everything is working properly. That's all it takes to link YouTube Music to Google Home and enjoy hands-free music throughout your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials and smart home tips.